Did you know that cats use their whiskers to see the world around them? These incredible whiskers are not just for show. They're highly sensitive tools that can detect even the slightest changes in air currents. This means that when it's dark and their vision isn't as sharp, their whiskers help them navigate with ease. They can sense if they can squeeze through tight spaces or avoid obstacles, all thanks to these amazing sensory hairs. So, the next time you see a cat, remember, their whiskers are like a built-in radar system, guiding them through their adventures.